Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you're driving a big rig, a standard GPS just won't cut it. In today's video, we're checking out the best truck GPS navigation systems, built specifically for truckers with route planning, height and weight restrictions, real-time traffic updates, and more. All the product links are in the description below. So let's hit the road and find the GPS that keeps you on the safest and most efficient route. Number 1. Garmin Diesel OTR710. For truckers, the road is more than just a route, it's a way of life. That's why having the right GPS is crucial, and the Garmin Diesel OTR710 is designed to meet the unique needs of professional drivers. With its large 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen, custom truck routing, and advanced navigation features, this GPS isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer. Crystal clear navigation for hassle-free driving. The Diesel OTR710 boasts a bright, crisp display that's easy to read in any lighting condition, ensuring you never miss a turn or an alert. Unlike generic GPS devices, this unit provides custom truck routing based on your vehicle's size and weight, helping you avoid low bridges, weight restrictions, and hazardous turns. Precision planning with bird's-eye satellite imagery. One standout feature is bird's-eye satellite imagery, offering high-resolution aerial views of loading docks, truck entrances, and security gates. This advanced arrival planning tool makes navigating complex delivery points effortless. Stay ahead with real-time updates. Truckers need real-time traffic, weather, and fuel price updates, and the Diesel OTR710 delivers. The built-in pre-pass notifications with an active account. Number 2. Garmin Diesel OTR800. For professional truckers, precision navigation is a must. The Garmin Diesel OTR800 steps up with a massive 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen, custom truck routing, and load-to-dock guidance to simplify every journey. Whether you're tackling cross-country hauls or navigating tight loading zones, this GPS ensures you get there smoothly and efficiently. Bigger screen, clearer navigation. The 8-inch display is a game-changer, offering crisp visuals and easy readability in both landscape and portrait modes. The large screen provides a better view of the route, reducing distractions and making map details more accessible at a glance. Smart routing for trucks. Not all roads are truck-friendly, and the Diesel OTR800 ensures you only take routes that match your truck's size and weight. It also provides real-time road warnings for sharp curves, steep grades, bridge heights, and weight limits, keeping you safe and compliant with regulations. Load-to-dock guidance, next-level arrival planning. A standout feature is the load-to-dock guidance, which offers insights into potential loading zones and storage lots before you even arrive. This saves time and eliminates guesswork, ensuring smoother last-mile navigation, critical for time-sensitive deliveries. Truck and Trailer Services Directory for easy stops. Long hauls require strategic stops, and this GPS makes it easy with a preloaded truck and trailer services directory. Whether you're looking for truck-friendly parking, specific fuel stops, rest areas. Number 3. Gaifu 7-inch GPS Navigator. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable GPS navigator for your car, truck, or RV, the Gaifu GPS is a solid contender. With a 7-inch touchscreen, 2025 map updates, and intelligent voice navigation, this device delivers essential features without breaking the bank. Preloaded 2025 maps for hassle-free navigation. Right out of the box, the Gaifu GPS comes with the latest 2025 maps for North America, USA, Canada, and Mexico, ensuring accurate and up-to-date routing. You also have the option to download maps for Europe and other regions, making it a versatile choice for travelers. Custom truck routing for professional drivers. For truckers and RV drivers, this GPS offers customized routes based on vehicle height, weight, length, and width to avoid roads with restrictions. This feature helps drivers navigate safely and legally, preventing unexpected detours or fines. Voice-guided navigation and real-time alerts. Stay focused on the road with intelligent voice guidance, providing heavy checkmark turn-by-turn directions, heavy checkmark speed and red light camera warnings, heavy checkmark lane assistance, heavy checkmark current speed and estimated arrival time. These real-time alerts ensure a safer and more efficient driving experience, especially in unfamiliar areas. Easy-to-use interface and essential features. The touchscreen interface is straightforward, with options to search via zip code, address, coordinates, favorites, or poise. Number 4. Garmin Dezel 580 LMTS. For truckers who prefer a smaller GPS without compromising on essential features, the Garmin Dezel 580 LMTS is an excellent choice. With a 5-inch display, free lifetime map updates, live traffic, and Bluetooth connectivity, this GPS is designed to keep you on the most efficient and safest routes. Custom truck routing and real-time alerts. The Dezel 580 LMTS tailors routes to your truck's size and weight, helping you avoid low bridges, weight-restricted roads, and hazardous turns. Plus, with real-time traffic updates and weather alerts, you can stay ahead of unexpected delays. Brake planning made easy. Long hauls require smart planning, and this GPS makes it easier with timely brake reminders. The up-ahead feature displays nearby rest stops, restaurants, and fuel stations, ensuring you never scramble to find a place to stop. Truck and Trailer Services Directory. Need a Flying J or a truck stop with showers? The built-in Truck and Trailer Services Directory lets you filter stops by amenities, so you can find exactly what you need on the go. Number 5. Rand McNally TND 750. When it comes to truck-specific GPS devices, the Rand McNally TND 750 is a top contender. Designed with professional drivers in mind, this 7-inch touchscreen navigator is packed with custom truck routing, live traffic updates, and enhanced map displays, all powered by RAN Navigation 2.0 software. Crisp 7-inch high-resolution display. The TND 750 features a bright, high-resolution 800 by 1280 display, ensuring clear visuals for easy navigation. Whether it's day or night, the crisp screen allows for quick route adjustments with touchscreen controls and lane assist for smooth driving. Smart truck routing with live updates. With RAN Navigation 2.0, this GPS customizes routes based on your truck's dimensions, fuel prices, and real-time traffic conditions. You'll get alerts for low bridges, weight limits, and road restrictions, keeping you compliant and efficient on every haul. Enhanced map features and 3D junction views. The enhanced map displays provide heavy checkmark 3D structures and junction views for better navigation. Heavy checkmark weather overlays to prepare for changing conditions. Heavy checkmark millions of truck-specific poise like rest stops, way stations, and fuel stations. Rugged magnetic mount for stability. Unlike suction mounts that may shift over time, the powerful magnetic mount is built to withstand rough road conditions, ensuring a stable, secure fit for the GPS on your dashboard. Android-powered performance.